Can concrete expand and contract with temperature changes, or how does temperature changes affect concrete? It's such a hard substance. You'd think that basically it can't move, right? You would be wrong if you made that assumption. It's actually pretty incredible how much concrete can expand and contract. So in the some areas you could have 100 degrees Fahrenheit variance between like heat of summer and coldest of winter nights. And in that environment, 100 linear feet of concrete would expand by more than 5/8 of an inch. So almost 3/4 of an inch expansion in this 100 linear feet. And if you think about concrete, I mean, you can get pretty expansive with concrete. So there's a lot of concrete and it can less than an inch, but holy cow, that's a lot. Concrete can expand a lot laterally. And as a result, you have to account for that with expansion gaps. You wouldn't want to wedge, like two houses wedged with concrete tight to the foundation of each, because when it expanded horizontally from the temperature, it would just shatter the foundations, or hopefully just shatter the deck itself or the concrete slab itself instead of the foundation walls. The point simply being, you have to account for this expansion and contraction in construction, and it's very normal to do that because it expansion forces are extremely unforgiving. If something like that is going to expand, even water expanding into ice is so destructively powerful. How destructively powerful do you think concrete is expanding into larger concrete? It's so much force that nothing can absorb that things will fail as a result of this unless you give some sort of expansion joint that has a flexible movement. Typically half inch would be common, and that will allow for movement of expanding and contracting concrete surfaces. It's surprising how much it expands and contracts. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you could learn a ton about how to work with concrete.